In this video we will be looking at 5 ways to repair damaged epoxy flooring in 2023. Epoxy flooring is one of the most sought after flooring solutions in 2023 because it is sturdy and can withstand years of heavy wear and tear. The method of installation, as well as the maintenance techniques and the industrial, commercial or domestic space epoxy will be installed, is also a factor that influences how it will withstand extreme pressure. The various ways of managing wear and tear of epoxy, such as discoloration after exposure to ultraviolet light rays, can be repaired by limiting the direct or indirect exposure to UV light on the epoxy and reapplying epoxy with anti-scratch coating which has ultraviolet light protection. If you already have epoxy installed in your home, you will realize that it is one of your favorite space. Epoxy flooring is the best solution because it is strong, easy to clean and maintain, and everyone always comments on how great it looks. This is why you need to know how to handle chipping or cracking. Take these steps for epoxy floor repair to ensure that your floor keeps looking as good as the day you first installed it. Step 1. Ways to repair chips or cracks. The inevitable chip and crack can be annoying, but there are a handful of methods used to fix these issues. To fix a crack in your epoxy floor, it is advised to open the cracked area, after which mix the epoxy solution in the right quantity, that is, 2:1 of resin and hardener, respectively, and pour on the surface. It should be leveled to ensure that it cures properly. Let the material cure for about 60 days. Once it's fully cured, you can apply a new layer of epoxy. If the damage is far more extensive than a handful of minor cracks and chips, you may need to take more extreme measures to repair the flooring. You'll likely need to resurface the entire area before applying new epoxy. Step 2. The best ways to repair bubbles. Several factors can increase the likelihood of outgassing, including a poorly prepped floor, temperature changes, or improperly mixed epoxy solution. The best way to remedy this situation is to grind the surface with a roller, open up the surface and add the mixed epoxy solution mentioned earlier. Step 3. Ways to repair peeling when it occurs. If you want to get your floor looking brand new, you need to scrap off the existing coating. Now you can reinstall the flooring. Step 4. How to repair discoloration. It's not uncommon for aging epoxy to take on an odd color. You can use it as a spot treatment or apply it to the floor. Step 5. When is it time to replace my epoxy flooring? If there is major damage, you'll likely need to replace your epoxy flooring. As we just went over, peeling, bubbles, and chips could all require a brand new coating of epoxy. Generally, if your floor has significant cosmetic issues, you might need to consider replacing the flooring system. If you notice any of the above issues arising, it might not be a bad idea to plan a new installation. Before you go spending money on any of this, check with your epoxy installer to better understand what's covered under the epoxy installation warranty.